Here I have Samsung Galaxy F04, and today I'm going to show you how to enter Fastboot mode on this device. So to do this, firstly what you have to do is to turn your device off, and after it turns off completely you have to hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And after the screen turns on and you can see Samsung logo appeared, you have to release power key and keep holding only volume up, just like this. After that you will proceed to this kind of menu. In this menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select, you have to select the second option, reboot to bootloader. And after that you will end up in the Fastboot mode, as these letters here saying. So if you want to quit Fastboot mode, just hold down power key for about 5 to 7 seconds, and after that your device will be turned off, and then you have to turn it back on for it to restart. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.